In this lesson, we will start creating another short. In this lesson, I will only present the shorts and the footage that we have as of right now, and I will leave the rest to the other lessons. So the first thing that we will do to create a short is click on the 9:16 aspect ratio so that we have the vertical format. For this subject, I've chosen Luke Belmar that created this kind of interview/podcast on a boat. And the issue with this boat was the sound, because as you can hear, there is noise in the background. It's pretty bad.
What is biohacking? Bio means life, hacking your ability to find your way around something, your way to find.
And we do not like that. What I've done is exported the audio, put it in Adobe Podcast, which is an AI tool that is completely free. You just look it up, Adobe Podcast, and it will enhance your audio. So I'll delete this, and now I have this audio which is completely enhanced without any background noise.
What is biohacking? Bio means life, hacking your ability to find your way around something, your way to find glitches.
So as you can hear, the audio is now clean. Removed the silences and stuff like that, and we now have a 42-minute video. First thing that we will do is resize the clip. So I'll go ahead and scale the clip and put Belmar in the center, and I'll do this for all the clips. This process would have been way easier if you did it before cutting the clip. However, it's not that long anyway. You cannot create a compound clip to reduce the length of the process because you will lose some quality of the clip. I've just tried. I don't know why CapCut does that, but regardless, we are now here with the completed zoom in. So then now we have always Luke Belmar in the center. And now let's restart the editing process. The first thing that we're going to do is go on text, auto captions, create. I'm now going to go on text, presets, and I will use this text that I use, as you can see, text for IG Reels. That's what I use. I'll add it, and then I'll manually change the fonts and all the statistics of the subtitles. Just make sure that you're using apply to all so you don't have to do it again. Then we uppercase, make it a bit bigger. We add a stroke, which is not going to be really important in this specific short, as Luke Belmar has a black shirt, so you won't be able to see it really well. And then we add a glow. And as you can see now, if I put them side to side, they're basically the same. Now we go on captions, and I'll make sure that there is only 2 words per subtitles just by clicking and pressing enter. I have now divided the text into 3 words max, and I'll quickly show you what we have right now and what I want to do.
What is biohacking? Bio means life, hacking your ability to find your way around something, your way to find glitches in the system of life. What do you do with these 30 minutes that you stop interacting with your phone? Walk into a 7-Eleven. Go see the type of individuals that walk in there, what they buy, and what they do. And you're going to realize that their habits dictate their appearance because those are not the habits of winning, successful people. Now do the opposite. Go the next day and spend those 30 minutes observing people that you want to resemble. People have winning qualities, always have that golden touch, and dissect them, observe them. What is it that they do that causes this?
So here's what I see. When it says bio means life, I will probably create a little plant that grows, kind of an animation style. When it gets to hacking, I will show either one of those screens from like Andrew Tate when he says about the Matrix, that kind of stuff, or something relating to glitch, maybe with glitch effects or transitions. Here when he says, what do you do with these 30 minutes that they stop interacting with your phone? I will show a clock spinning that resembles 30 minutes and probably a phone getting away or something similar. When he says walk into a 7-Eleven, I'll probably show some B-roll and maybe an animated person entering. Here when he talks about the type of individuals that walk into a 7-Eleven, I will show probably a B-roll of a fat guy generated with AI, and because that's what Luke Belmar means, he's saying that people don't have good habits while walking to a 7-Eleven. And when he says what they buy and what they do, I will make sure that the fat guy generated by the AI, either as popcorn or Coca-Cola or foods that are usually linked with bad habits, Netflix, stuff like that. Then he says, now do the opposite. So I'll probably flick an image of maybe a 7-Eleven. When he says about that golden touch, I am thinking about doing something really cool with color grading, which is getting a finger or a hand basically with the fingertip that is golden, and then he touches Luke Belmar and it becomes completely yellow/gold, that color. I think that would be really great.
And dissect them, observe them. What is it that they do that causes this?
Now that we have our ideas, let's get straight to work. What I usually do with shorts, I first fix the video, so I get all the clips, and then I put music and sound effects only afterwards.